of Dress Code by Julia, which is a personal styling and shopping service. Digital media is very essential for my business because I post daily outfit inspirations and style tips on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And also, since COVID hit last spring, it's a very important tool for me to communicate with my clients and provide them with a virtual style option. I'm so excited to see you all at the virtual cocktail party during the Digital Fashion Online Summit on March 28th. And because everything is opening up again slowly but surely, I thought about showing you guys how to dress up a day look to a night out look in some easy steps. So I hope you will enjoy that, and until then, cheers!